Now I will discuss direct force member in truss. So this is a very simple truss. We will find direct force member. Now what are direct force member? Direct force member is if a force acts directly along a member and other members connected to that joint is perpendicular. So these are two conditions of direct force member. If a force is this is a member, if a force acts along the member either this way or that way, and in that joint if there are other members, they will be perpendicular to this load, then that member is called direct force member, and the member force in that member is that force. So we will see this by using an example. So there is a truss here, there is a load here which is 3 kip acting this way, there is a load here which is at this joint acting downward, there is another load here acting upward. You can see here for this member, this load is acting along this member, and these two members are perpendicular. Other two members are perpendicular. Then the member force here is this force. So the member force here is 3 kip. And is it tension? Because pulling, so it will be tension. So T, parenthesis T. Same thing here. This is a direct force member. This member is a direct force member. How? This force is acting along the member, and other members, this member and this member, they are perpendicular. So the force here is 5 kip. Now as this force is pushing that member, so it will be compression. So this is a direct force member, this is a direct force member. Here you can see 4 kip. This load is acting along this member, but this member and this member connected to this joint are not perpendicular. These two are perpendicular, good, but these two are not. So this member is not a direct force member. We cannot tell that this 4 kip will act here. No, we cannot tell it. So these two are direct force member. In your FE exam or in your class, sometimes you will find this kind of member, and without solving or without any analysis, you can find the member. Okay, let me show you another example. So there is another truss similar to this. So here I have 5 kip, here I have 10 kip, here I have 10 kip load. Now for this truss you can see here, so this force is along this member, and this member and this member are perpendicular to this force. So this member, what is the member force in this member? Exactly 10 kip, because it is direct. And tension or compression, because this force is pulling this member, so it is tension. So the member force in this member is 10 kip tension. What about here? So there is a 10 kip force in this joint, and this force is along this member. These two are perpendicular, this one is not. So we cannot tell that this member is taking this force. We cannot tell that. Here only direct force is this one. So in your FE exam or in your class, you will find some member is like this. You can just directly tell the member force without doing any analysis. Okay, so in next video we will discuss something else about truss.